Yes, yes, yes.
That's more better.
They went and saw them in Springfield last night.
Where? What was it last night?
In Springfield.
Yeah, what was it?
July.
Did they have fireworks in Massachusetts last night?
I wasn't there, but they did go to Springfield.
No, tonight they're having the Winterfest in Hartford.
Pyrotechnic maniac.
And Jeremy, that was awesome.
Yep.
My mom. Jim was doing them? Jim.
Jim's watching. Jer.
Remember? We made it.
Call him short round. He didn't go.
Told me nothing about it, right? Yeah. We got enough fireworks.
Boy, that Sam sells some nice fireworks.
Yeah. How did he get it?
They know how to make fireworks. They know how to sell drugs. They know how to make fireworks.
Oh, God.
Bang.
The Korean troops are going to be up there.
Dud.
Yeah.
Dud.
Or we did.
It's on the table, so.
Hey, man, am I going to jail? Bring over here. I'm going to miss the tapioca now.
One of the big table.
Four, five. Oh. Six.
Hey, here, retaliate.
Remember that? Well, of course they were burning. Cool.
Oh!
You mean it's going to do 75 now?
Oh! Waking up the neighbors. They were.
Hey, Don, just stop that.
Hey, lock and load.
And if you're busy and you're not doing anything, you
Come on, you missed a good one.
Mike Jimmy
Could do it in the barrel.
Forget the fire.
Come on.
Keep distance.
Yeah. Got it. Good attitude.
Finale.
Oh my gosh.
Second finale.
You're up there. They are. Oh, yeah.
You're getting higher than me.
Damn, look how sucker is.
Boom, boom.
Oh, Sharper. Holy mother, look at that. Drop on there. Make sure they all go out, huh?